out there, it's Hannes Knechtges. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I want to show you one riff that every guitar player should know. Why is this? Because this riff is not only by the popular band called, I don't know if you know them, Metallica. Yeah, but it's not, nothing else matters here. So keep going, watching, so you get to know which riff you have to play. Not only this riff is super cool and fun to play, but why is it so important for beginners to play this? Let me explain to you why. Most riffs you can play just with one finger, and this is kind of like for beginners, oh wow, I only need one finger, okay, let's go for this. Yeah, no. Because I think this can not only be boring, but it's also not such a good idea to only play with one finger, especially if you're not used playing an instrument. It's also a good idea to check out things where you need like more fingers than one finger. And the cool thing about this riff is you stay in one position. This is why I think this is also a good riff for a beginner, because you don't have to go around the neck or move positions. You're literally like staying in one position all the time. You only have to use all your four fingers. So we start out with the open E string, the low E string, easy, huh? And then we need the pinky in the 7th fret of the A string. So go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Most of the guitars have a dot there for orientation. So after you played the open E string, you play the A string where your pinky is waiting. Get this going. For a lot of beginners, the pinky is like the devil. It won't just do what you want. And then we need the middle finger in the 5th fret of the D string. So count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, there should be like an orientation dot. And then you have the pinky and the middle finger building up pressure at the same time. Take a look where your thumb is, not like being there or something. Place it somewhere there. Then you play the low E string, A and D string after that. 3, 4. Play it with me. Okay, give your fingers a rest. If they're not used to this, shake your hand. Then bring them back in position. And now you let those strings ring, and then the ring finger needs to go in the 6th fret of the low E string. This is kind of like the first very awkward movement for beginners especially. And after you did this, you lift up your ring finger again and go with the index finger in the 5th fret of the low E string. So you have E, A, D, E, E. Till there. Take a break again. If you're not used to this, it can be quite stressful for your hand. Make sure nothing hurts or something like this. But this is a good thing for you to check out all your fingers and playing a big famous riff already with it. So, one note is missing. In the end, we play the A string again, and then it starts all over again. And again. Take your time to check that out. I think the cool thing about it, as I said before, that you don't have to change positions or whatever, moving your hand to a different place on the neck. You can stay in the same position. I mean, of course, it's hard to especially use the ring finger while the pinky is under pressure here. But take your time to check that out. If you have like the pinky and the middle finger set, it's cool. And then you go with the ring finger up and down to get comfortable with this movement. And then with the index finger, you lift up the ring finger again. Do those dry exercises to really make sure your fingers know where to go and how to hold and push down the strings. So, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it was a lot of fun for your fingers too. And if you like this lesson, check out my free lessons in the video description. A lot of cool stuff going on there too. Thanks for watching, and we see us back in the next video. Take care. Bye.